Hey guys, Eva RV here from Arcan RV. We are on day 2 of our Winnebago week, and today we are featuring the Micro Minnie series. The Micro Minis have 12 different floor plans to choose from. They range anywhere from 19.5 feet to 25.5 feet. They're all 6,000 pounds and under, and they're all only 7 feet wide, which make them super easy to tow. I will go through a few different floor plans with you and a few of my favorite features about the Micro Minis. Every single Micro Minnie has a 200-watt solar panel. Awesome. Every single Micro Minnie has 15-inch Goodyear Wrangler tires. Awesome. Even at only 7 feet wide and no slide, so I'm in the second smallest, the 1720 FB, it's super spacious. They do a good job with their space. The amount of storage is insane. Storage, 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 storage. Can't even open that. Storage, 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 more storage. More storage. Winnebago frames are also built very, very well. Every single frame is custom built for the floor plan, and it's built on an NXG engineered frame, and they use Huck bolting instead of welding in some spots to make it even stronger. To give you an idea of who uses Huck bolting, semi-trucks and trains. Super strong. And then they also dip it in e-coating to make it even stronger and more resistant against road grime and such. I'll show you guys what it looks like. The last thing I wanted to point out about the Micro Minis, that is definitely one of my favorite things, is how bright it is inside these units. I'm going to give you a little walkthrough to show you what I mean. I'm going to show you guys the 1720 FB, which is the second smallest Micro Minnie they have, and you'll see how bright it is in there. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for tomorrow when we're doing the Winnebago Mini, the second last towable we have here. Make sure to like and subscribe, follow and share if you are enjoying this content, and I will look forward to doing more for you guys in the future.